investment banking, especially.
So I pulled up to the office, trying to figure out, what's the situation, and quickly realized that I didn't even recognize the place. There was garbage everywhere, things were moved, the water had just moved everything. Then one of my managers came to me and he says, Jay, well, we started the first 10 trucks and they didn't work. So we start the next trucks, and actually, when the start and the engine goes on, you're like, okay, the engine started, and you feel like this is gonna be okay. But the issue wasn't the engines, it's the electrical system. And it turns out that at the peak of the water level, the water had risen and reached the cab level, and it penetrated the electrical box. And you realize that while the engines might start, the entire electrical systems are shot. And it was really then over the course of the next 3 hours that we kept on testing and testing. And it was this realization that if I have no trucks, I have no revenue. And I was in my office, and I've got glass in my office, and I think my head was like between my hands, and I don't know if I was crying or just emotionally emoting fear and panic and whatever it was. And my HR person comes in, it's around 4:30, 5 o'clock now, and she comes in my office, she goes, okay, are you done? And I said, I think we're done, yeah. And she says, no. He says, everyone can see you. You've got to get it out, put on your game face, and get out there and tell people what we're gonna do. And she closed the door, and I probably sat there for another 15 minutes, kind of getting myself together. And in that 15 minutes, kind of really parsing out, what she had said, which is really, there's really only one thing we need to do. I gotta figure out that one thing, and the answer was trucks. If we can get trucks in, we can serve our customers. My head of transportation is like, look, we've rent trucks before, let's just look out of state. And he quickly figured out how to go get a bunch of phone books and said, we're just gonna call everywhere, from Maine down to Georgia, all the way out to Ohio. Probably within 12 hours of that, we had a room, desks, phone books, and within an hour or two of that happening, we had a truck. Someone would say, I got one! And everyone cheered. And we're like, where is it? It's in Ohio. Well, one guy got a truck, here's a train ticket, go get the car. And, as I started to see solutions, I realized that if the team felt that I felt it, and that I never wavered in my belief that we will get through it, you saw that they believed it. And when they believed it, they started acting more effectively, more efficiently, and most importantly, they started working more cohesively as a team. And that energy feeds on itself. And that was my role. It wasn't no longer figuring out how to solve the problem. It was just making sure the team really believed that we can get through this. And with that belief, they knew what to do.